2020 workout goals, let's talk about it. And I think while we should look forward, I want to take a quick lesson from 2019 because I started 2019 just like I'm starting 2020, wanting to work out more, probably like a lot of you guys. Well, that doesn't usually work out quite as well, does it? So for me, a big thing was in 2018, you guys might know this guy right here. I still have the plate in actually. I fell off a skateboard, broke my collarbone, had surgery, and while I recovered pretty quickly, I never really got back into a routine. And the word workout routine is honestly pretty important. I think the routine part is what makes it easy to stay in if you have a routine. If you don't have a routine, it's really hard to, motivate yourself every day. So I started off 2019 well, then I fell off again, I started again, fell off again, which I think a lot of you guys are probably experiencing too. Now, I have 7 different things that I want to do for 2020 that I think are gonna help this strategically. Number 1 is to plan. Every Sunday I want to plan my week, every morning I want to plan my day more specifically, including the gym. Number 2, not just planning, but actually making a commitment, something a little bit more emotional or financial where you're like, you can't back out of it. Either buy a class or say you're gonna meet up with a friend in an outdoors workout park, whatever you can do to externalize the pressure of going. It's not like nobody's gonna hold you accountable. I think that's gonna be a big thing. Number 3, don't make excuses. And I think that was what messed me up the most in 2019. I was making excuses that I had to work too much, that I didn't have the time, or I was too exhausted. Honestly, step 1 and 2 are gonna help you guys a lot with that already, but hopefully so will the other ones. But just make that commitment that you are not going to make excuses, because that's why I felt like I lost a lot of muscle mass. I just am not looking the way I wish I was. I know I lucked out a little bit genetically that my base, like when I don't work out, I'm still in a solid shape. But it's just not what makes me happy, and especially not what makes me feel happy. I think a lot of the workout is a psychological thing, a mental thing of letting go of that stress, that aggression. And please, don't make any excuses. Because we don't want to half-ass anything except the coffee. I want to make a cup of coffee quick. And so we wait. Next up, I want you to not overdo it at the gym. I think a lot of you see at different gyms, like leave your ego at the door, and that is absolutely true. Don't overdo it, because if you overdo it, you're gonna end up hurting yourself, you're gonna end up stretching something, or, well, the bad type of stretching anyway. So please don't overdo it. If you feel like you need a break, take a break. In that break, point number 5, make sure you stretch, make sure you massage yourself. If you can afford it, go get a massage or buy a Theragun or something like that, that you can actually actively help your muscles recover. Point number 6, and big part of that, don't just be taking your protein. You also want to be taking the vitamins and the nutrients that are going to help you keep you healthy, so you can keep the rhythm up, so you can not skip or not even have the excuse of skipping because you got sick. So make sure that you take your even just one multivitamin, as long as you're doing something to make sure that you're supporting your immune system. I think that's a big thing. And all of those are for point number 7. Don't break the rhythm. Back to what I said in the beginning, it's all about the routine, it's about the rhythm. Once you're in, it's easy. The re-entry, I'm going through it right now. I'm literally hurting as I'm holding this fairly light camera because I've just done my first couple of workout sessions of the year. And yeah, just don't break it. You're gonna hurt a lot more when you start again. It's a lot harder psychologically to get started with it. And I think, hopefully, the first things are gonna help me and gonna help you guys achieve your workout goals in 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this was a little different, but I'd love to start covering topics that aren't just fashion. They are still related to a happy and healthy and confident lifestyle. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you very soon. I'm about to go work out at Tone House, my favorite workout in New York City. If you haven't tried it, try it out. Peace, guys. Stay dapper.